Are you using Salesforce and you have configurable product? VariCPQ is the right tool for you. It is the easiest to use and fastest to implement CPQ solution for Salesforce. In this video, you'll see how to get it up and running. First, you go to AppExchange in Salesforce and look for VariCPQ. Then you simply install it to your Salesforce instance. After you have taken it into use, you simply drop the Excel definition under the product. After that, your sales team can start configuring that product in any opportunity. Start using VariCPQ today and make your sales configurations way easier than it used to be. Your sales team will love it.